We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned with the way we're looking at the chart, we want to see, we're looking at this one as a running flat. That's why I mentioned we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 0.248. All right. As we can see, the price almost near to what we expected. And there was a reversal. There was a put because I mentioned if there is any reversal as a sharp move flag, we can take the trade. Either we take the trade from here or from here. There was three opportunity to look for buy, and I mentioned with the breakout of the previous top, which is this one, the first level we're looking for is 31. As we can see, the price tag 31, but there was no breakout because we mentioned with the breakout of the 31, the next level we're looking for is 34. All right. Now, for those traders, they get the trade from here, move their stop loss to break even, and if they want to keep the trade for long term, and we don't need these lines anymore. And if we move to daily chart, we're looking for this one as a reversal, but still we need to be quite careful about this flat. I don't mean the price is going to drop. That's the only thing is if the price, we need to see the breakout of the 34 cent. If the price, since the price haven't break the 34 cent, we need to be quite careful. Either we get a deeper correction or reversal. Mostly we can expect to get a deeper correction similar to what we have here. Okay, because most of the chart they have a similar movement. And if I move to forward chart, if we put the desktop, because mostly we can see we have a divergence. That's why if we wants to look for trade for buy, we need to be quite careful about this divergence. Mostly we are expecting to get the correction, at least similar to what we get here, as I explained this on daily chart. That's why I mentioned there is a possibility within this range we get the deeper correction. Okay, anyway, still we're looking for continuation. The only things right now we want to see the breakout of the 31 cent, because with the breakout of the 31, the next level I'm looking for based on lower time frame is for 34. All right, whether we should look for buy or not, whether we can call this one as a trade setup, the only way is to put our entry above here. But we should know that if we want to put our entry above here, we want to see the continuation as a sharp move, and we want to see the breakout of the 31. If the price tag and we see it's not moving, we are not going to keep the trade, because as I mentioned, based on daily forward chart and even based on 1 hour chart, we have a divergence. And as I mentioned, we're looking at this one as an internal running flat. We are expecting to get a deeper correction within this range. All right. And right now, buying at this time, if you wants to look for buy, the only way is to put our entry above here. And we want to see the continuation as a sharp move with the breakout of 31 cent. We move our stop loss to break even. And if the price is going to drop, we just let it go. May this one turn to similar to any of this. That means this one turn to a channel. Okay, but we are not really interested to see the movement as a channel. That's why we want to see the breakout as a sharp move, because if there is a continuation as a sharp move with the breakout of this one, then mostly we are not expecting to see the deeper correction. Anyway, again, for those traders, they get the trade either from here or here, because there was a true opportunity, move their stop loss to break even. And either we take the trade from here by having entry above this, or if this one turn to a deeper move, still we can look for reversal as a sharp move flag, similar to what we get here. Okay, by the way, as long as the price haven't break this zone, any trade we consider as a short term. This is what I explained in my last analysis. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank